Susie girl, I bought us a jeep. This jeep will take us to America, to England, to India, to Soweto, and we will be cruising. This car will go on the ground, America. Shit! Ow! You have hit my car! My jeep! Oh no! You hit my jeep! Under your car! Susie's not happy with you. We are supposed to take that car to America. Yes, my jeep is under. You don't hit my car. You go regret it.
Sorry, ma'am.
As you don't jump my car, he go regret it. Hey, she don't hit my car. He go regret it. Hey, Jeneke, as he don't jump my car, he go regret it.
Sorry, please. Okay, take this money. Go and ban that car. I'm so sorry, please. Mama, I'm sorry.
You're paying.
I'm sorry.
You're paying for my jeep.
I'm so sorry,
Susie,
ma'am.
see money. We
Sorry.
count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's an uneven number.
Sorry, ma'am.
Take. I keep 4.
Sorry, ma'am. What are you doing with this mad woman? Let's just go. Sorry,
You call me?
Are you not a mad woman?
You're the mad one.
Sorry. Go and enter the
You're the mad one. No,
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Don't touch her with that hand.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
I'm so sorry, ma'am.
Enter the car now.
Let's go now, this mad woman.
Enter the car.
She's coming here.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry.
See what you call.
You're the one that's enter the car. Mama, sorry, ma, sorry. I'm so sorry, ma. I'm so sorry. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
I beat her.
Go ahead, enter the car now.
I will beat her. This girl.
Mama, sorry. Mama, we're very sorry.
Anna, I'm going to break her hand.
Mama, we're very sorry, ma. We're sorry, ma.
Open this door. Open. You don't hit my car. You go regret it. As you don't check my car. You. My jeep. My jeep is still alive. Susie, we are going to America. Boom!
Get what? Oh my gosh.
The kind of peace I feel each time I enter this your estate.
Girl.
I feel like I'm the owner already. I'm like that my streets filled with mad people and thieves everywhere. That place is not for me.
Girl, listen to me. You can say that thieves are disgusting, but you cannot say that about mad people. I mean, it's not their fault that they are mad. Come on, this kind of thing could happen to any one of us.
God forbid. I reject it for you. I reject it in my life. It can never be us.
Well, it can happen to anybody, actually, babes. The most important thing is to be kind.
Mrs. Kindness, please, is there no food in this house?
You know what? Let me go heat up something.
I'm coming.
Oh my baby. Stop looking at me because you know I love you too much. Okay, we are going to see the head of state. Do you know who the head of state is? I will tell you. They say his name is Tinubu. That's the head of state. Nto, you failed the answer. I got it. See motorcar. Little noisy motorcar. If I go to school, please carry me. Beep. must walk away. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. I am going. Are we going? Where are we going? I told you I built a house. I built a house there. I'm going back to my house. I'm going back. I can't find the house. I'm going back to my house. Little boy, give me water. Give me water. Baby, don't cry. Please don't cry. Baby, don't cry. Answer, baby. I'm hungry. And baby's hungry.
Mama, I brought you some food. Hey.
Thank you. Nico, you can't be giving this mad woman attention again.
Anna, stop it now. What is that? Stop.
What? What is wrong with you? How can you be friends with mad people? Baby, see. Are you okay?
Anna, come on. Listen, I just feel they need to help her. Well, she's human too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with lending a helping hand. Stop.
Come on, open this thing.
Let's go.
Oh, please shut up. Shh, leave me. I'm telling you, until one day she will bite you.
Come on, open.
Oh, please, shh.
Water to you, mad girl. Look at the dress she's wearing, short. You're looking for men. If you don't this girl's car, I will beat you.
It's so crazy, babes. Like, even if you're in the most serious relationship in the world, like, come on now, smile now. Yeah. Girl, like, he just ignored me, just making me feel like I'm invincible or something.
You see what I was saying? That guy is arrogant and proud.
My dear, I agree. Very arrogant. Nonsense.
Anyway, just ignore him too. Rubbish.
My dear, please, let's talk about something else. Are you going to be around tomorrow?
Yes, no.
Okay, I'll be coming around your area. I need to see one of our investors. So after I meet him, I'll come back to see you, okay?
Okay then, bye.
Alright, okay, bye. I'm so sorry. I didn't pick your call. Sorry.
Babe, I don't understand you again. You were supposed to come to my house. I was worried.
My dear, I came home. But that mad woman.
That mad woman again?
Yes, I had to take her to the hospital.
You did what?
I took her to the hospital. She was sick. She was feeling really weak and she was shivering.
Babe, you get mind though. For real, you get mind. You carried a mad woman to the hospital in your car. How? Who does that? What if she has beaten you to death?
My dear, do you know that I did not even think about that? But I don't know, something just kept pushing me to want to help her. So I took her to a psychiatric hospital. So she's there right now receiving treatment, and after that they'll face her mental issues. So we'll just wait and see how it goes.
Now, wow. Something is not right though. I think something is wrong somewhere, because how can a normal human being like you be getting so attracted to a mad woman? It doesn't make sense. What keeps connecting you both?
My darling, I think it's just God that wants me to help her.
Anyways, I'll be coming to see you tomorrow.
I will be going somewhere after work. I'll be going to the hospital after work, so maybe around 7.
I don't care. I am coming to see you. If na deliverance you need, I will perform it myself. Waiting.
You're not well, I beg, please. I want to go and rest. I'm so tired.
Like I said, I am coming tomorrow. In fact, I am coming to the office before that mad woman steals your attention from me.
No pee. Alright, good night. I'm so tired. Oh, God.
Oh gosh. Nico.
Yeah.
Are you sure you don't need a pastor?
You're not serious, you. What's wrong with you?
Cause tell me, how can a normal human being, of all people, choose a mad woman? Me when she dey come my street every day, I never even notice am. Now you, out of thousands of people, now you notice am.
She was sick and she was shivering.
And so, are you the only one that saw her sick?
See, Anna, look, you know, let's just call me a good Samaritan, okay? Yes.
Samaritan. Samaritana. Oshie, I salute you. Like I asked you earlier, what if she had beaten off your left breast? What would happen?
You say what? Why are you like this? What's wrong with you? Look, thank God I did not ask you before I tried to help her, because I know that you would have discouraged me, Yes, but right now I'm so happy that she's at the hospital and she's not going to leave there until she gets mentally stable. And thank God, one mad person off the streets of Lagos.
Aww.
Thanks to me.
Hell, Governor Nicole.
Yes.
O'Shea, President General, I salute you. Please, are we still going for Peter's birthday? Because I'm ready to party.
Anna, I'm tired. I'm really, really tired. Please, I'm really tired. I've just been going around town all day.
Seriously? Good night.
Wait now, wait. Anna, wait now. Don't be a big baby now. Please, now I'm tired, okay? Don't be angry.
Nico, you will never be mad. Say amen.
Amen.
Because this is madness.
Amen. Sorry now. Sorry. Bye. God, let me drag myself to that room. I'm so tired.
Nicole, leave this mad woman alone now. You have done your best. What kind of stress are you putting yourself through? Driving that distance because of a mad woman. Eh? This thing is not normal, oh. Who does that? Nicole. Nicole! Can you imagine?
Yes, come in.
You?
You look familiar.
Yes, we live in the same estate.
Oh, I see. Please, sit down.
So I brought in a woman who was sick. Now she has been sent over to the mental evaluation ward. I just finished paying her medical fees and I was asked to come to your office.
Okay, can I see? Okay, there is no name on her file. It's just written Mama.
Well, that is because I don't know her name.
What do you mean you don't know her name?
Well, the thing is, I found her very sick in front of a friend's house, so I just decided to bring her over to the hospital.
Interesting. Okay. Let me have a look. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So, after some evaluation and diagnosis, her closeness to the door, hallucinations, and other factors proved she must have suffered from untreated postnatal psychosis and bipolar disorder. If she had gotten treatments earlier, I'm sure it wouldn't have gotten to this point. I think her people abandoned her, hence it has developed into a full-blown madness. But not to worry, don't worry at all. We will see how best we can treat her.
Look, I would really appreciate that. I just want her to be fine.
She'll be fine. Trust me.
Thank you.
Let me sign this for you and then you drop it.
Hello, neighbor.
Hey,
You care for a ride?
Yes, please.
Hop in.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
Ah, after all that traffic, we finally made it.
Finally. Thank you. Thank you so much for the lift.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
If you don't have a mechanic to have a look at your car, I can send mine tomorrow. It's actually quite good.
Oh, thank you. I would really appreciate that. Thanks.
Alright then, let me have your number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then I'll call him and bring him tomorrow.
There you go.
Alright, Miss Nicole, right?
Yes, please.
Alright, okay.
Thank you once again.
Bye. It's fine.
Alright.
It's fine. Have a good night.
You too. Good night.
Bye.
Yes. Look, he even brought me back and he promised to bring a mechanic tomorrow.
He's a psychiatric doctor. Girl, I don't understand your connection with everything madness.
You know what? You're not serious at all, you this girl. Leave me alone, I beg.
Anyway, I am happy for you. That guy is cute and every woman's dream. Even though he's a doctor for the mad. Doctor na doctor, sha.
But honestly, I really hope that we connect, you know?
I hope so too. I mean, you are taking so much risk. Stressing yourself on this whole thing. Something good ought to come out of it.
Look, babe, I am not doing this for anything to come out of it, okay? I'm just doing it for humanity's sake and plus my heart leads me to do it. That's it.
I know, right?
Yeah. But anyway, girl, listen. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow, so I have to go, okay? Alright. Good night.
Okay, Nick. Good night.
Oh, God, what a day. Thank you very much, Dr. Val.
You're welcome, Miss Nicole. I will take my leave now. Okay?
I'm sorry, do you care for a cup of coffee?
Thank you, but I'm kind of running late for me.
Listen, this is the first time I am offering something. And besides, you've done so much for me.
You know what? I will do coffee with you tomorrow.
Alright then, tomorrow.
See you.
Take care, bye.
Bye. My guy! What's up, up there? No problem. So, when she gets better, where will she go?
Honestly, I don't even know. Maybe here, my place, until I figure out who her family members are.
You do that?
Yes.
Wow. You are really out of this world.
Wait, hold on. Is that supposed to be a compliment or are you just trying to be sarcastic?
It's a compliment.
Well, in that case, thank you.
You're welcome. You know, since you're bringing her to your house to stay, I was thinking, instead of taking her all the way to the hospital, why not come here to check up on her from time to time?
Wait, hold on, really? You would do that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much, thank you. That's quite kind of you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, thank you so much.
Tell me about you.
What do you need to know? Everything.
Don't leave anything.
How? Let's see, who do I use that from?
From somewhere.
Well, so, having stayed at the hospital for 2 months, Dr. Val said she's getting better and it's okay for her to come home. And then he will come and be doing checkups on her from home.
Which home?
My house, Anna.
Nicole,
What?
did this man charm you or hypnotize you or something?
Anna, I don't know, but I'm just so drawn to her. And I feel like she needs my help. And also help her to reconnect with her family.
Hell! My friend has gone home. Hell!
Maybe it's so dramatic.
The devil is working. Nico, if you need prayers, any type of deliverance you need, I don't mind. I will take you anywhere. They need to wash away this madness. What is this?
Anna, look, I don't know, I just feel like helping this woman, okay? And my heart is at peace helping her.
See, if that woman comes to this house, I will never visit.
Anna, she is not mad, okay? She's just suffering from bipolar psychosis. And it looks like her child died or maybe someone took the child away from her. I'm not quite sure. Listen, let's just have some empathy, okay? This kind of thing could happen to any of us.
God forbid. I reject it. In my life, in your life, I reject it for you.
Amen.
Don't say this kind of thing now. Or you don't know there is power in spoken word. See, if you insist on bringing that mad woman in this house, me, I will never, ever visit you again in this house. Unless you be the one coming to visit me.
Okay, Queen Mother Anna. Don't worry. Problem solved. I'll come and be visiting you. You don't have to bother yourself coming here, okay?
Wait, you would rather have a mad woman in this house than me?
You gave me an ultimatum, Abby. That's what you said now. So don't worry. I'll come and be visiting you.
That is not the point. The point is you should choose to have me here. I didn't say it for you to accept now.
God, Anna, you are so dramatic.
Hell.
Oh my goodness.
Devil. I said it. I said it. I knew it.
Are you okay? Stop.
The devil is working.
What?
Which one is what? Mad woman.
Anna, she's not mad. I've told you that she's just suffering from some disorder or something.
That is madness now. That is the madness we are talking about.
Mama, can I come and sit down? Mama, I want to bring you juice. Will you drink juice? Okay, I'm coming. She would make a very caring mother. I hope I'm able to find her people and maybe find closure for her. God, I hope I don't regret this.
So, is he okay? Sorry. Sorry. Mama, let me take you upstairs so that you can go and freshen up. Let me. Okay, we can go with the juice upstairs so that you can freshen up. Okay, then I'll help you with the baby. Okay, let me help you with the baby. Sorry. Oh. Sorry.
Baby, I love you forever. Baby, I love you forever.
How are you?
Fine. Wait. Baby, don't just say how are you. She said fine.
She's fine, huh?
Yes. Okay.
That's good.
Like that. Don't talk.
Excuse me.
You're check baby's eye.
Oh, I should check baby's eye?
Yes, see if it is correct.
It's very correct.
Very correct.
Yes.
You see, you have correct eyes. So you can sleep again. It's because you sleep a lot, so you have correct eyes.
Let me see you outside.
You hear all that?
Okay, Mama.
You're going.
I will see you soon, okay?
Will you see baby when you come?
Yes, I will see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby, say bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye-bye. You like doctor? I didn't like the way you were looking at doctor with your eye. Do you like this, like this? Come on, lie down. Chai. Did you do poo-poo? What do you eat that your poo-poo is smelling like this? Eh? I won't feed you again. Lie down. Sleep. Don't do poo-poo again. Smelly poo-poo. Baby.
So, the good thing is she's recovering, and I promise you she's actually going to get better. Alright?
Thank you very much for your efforts. Thank you.
It's okay. Alright, I will take my leave now. Okay.
Sorry, I made dinner, if you don't mind. Please.
Just look at her. She's beautiful, kind, hardworking, responsible, and she makes the tastiest meals. I really need to find out if she has a man. I don't see a ring on her finger. I mean, she's not married. But if she has a boyfriend, I will steal her from her boyfriend. Dear boyfriend, sorry in advance.
What are you thinking of?
Nothing. Actually enjoying the food.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well,
I'm glad you enjoy it.
it's really tasty. You have some magic fingers right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me tell you this one.
Oh my god.
This guy entered the ward and sat down. Little did he know that his neighbor was a mental patient.
Oh.
He now slept off and a resounding slap woke him up.
That is so hilarious. I mean, he shouldn't have relaxed his guard in a mental institute.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Your job is quite risky.
Yeah.
So now tell me, how do you cope with the violent ones?
Well, we have injections that calm their nerves. Yeah. If not, it's going to be chaos.
Yes, it's such a risky job you guys do.
Well, you took that same risk for Mama. I guess it's the passion that drives the job.
I guess it is.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh.
It's late. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Whew. Thank you for having me. You are so fun to be with, and I am sure your boyfriend must be the luckiest man in the world.
Why do you say so? I mean, is it just because of the fun jokes and laughter?
Oh my god, my chest. So there's a boyfriend.
Wait, I didn't say so. I'm just asking. Why do you think so?
Well, you are so beautiful and kind. You're every man's dream, so.
Thank you.
You still haven't answered my question. Is there a boyfriend?
Well, there is no boyfriend.
None? That is great news.
Listen, it's getting really late, Val. It's like you need to rest, so.
Now she's chasing me away. It's okay. I'll go rest. I'll see you around. You have a good night.
You too have a good night. All right.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Dr. Val is such an amazing guy. He's handsome, tall, gainfully employed, and he's very, very kind. He has made so much sacrifices for me, and I think I like him. Hello, Dr. Val? Yeah, Val, are you at home? Listen, thank you so much for coming through and thank you for everything. Thanks. No, she's not. I think the effects of the drugs are still in her. Okay? I'll not let anyone take your baby away, okay? Nobody will take your baby, Mama, please. It's okay, calm down.
Give me back my baby!
Mama.
Give me back my baby!
Mama, it's okay, Mama. for you to take your baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. Baby is here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so Chichi, listen, I'm leaving, so please take care of her, okay?
Alright, ma.
Alright, and I'll try to be back before 5 so that I can leave early, alright?
Okay, ma.
Alright, take care.
The more we are together, 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 the more we are together.
Mama?
My daughter.
Mama, you called me your daughter?
No, not you. My daughter.
Oh. So, you are choosing the doll over me?
Go and find your own mother. Tell her to come find your mother.
So how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine. So has she eaten and taken her drugs?
Yes, ma, this afternoon, but since then she has refused to eat.
Okay, thank you. We leave now.
Alright, ma.
Mama, you know what? I'll go downstairs. I'll bring your food so that I can help you eat, okay? I'll be right back. I'm coming back soon. Okay.
She says she's coming. She says she's coming. She says she's coming. She says she's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She says she's coming. She says she's coming. You didn't want to dance because you didn't want her to see you dance. You can dance. She says she's coming. She says she's coming. She says she's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She says she's
Mama? You like fish? Very good. Good.
Ebele tokom. My daughter.
Hey, Mama, you're calling me your daughter?
No! My daughter.
Mama, now you're going to make me get jealous of a doll baby.
She's not a doll.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Then that means that she's my sister. Sorry.
Yes. She's your sister. Your big sister. Look at your sister. Look at your baby sister. Yeah, eat. I'm not giving you. You're on a diet. Husband.
Amen.
What?
What? She's prophesying.
Oh my God, you're so hilarious.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. We are fine.
That's good. And your headache?
No more headaches.
You know why I'm here, right?
Why?
It's time for you to take your injection.
You will give her injection too.
I should give baby two?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give the two of you.
Baby, give you injection.
Nicole will get you ready.
For Chuku chuku.
Just small chuku chuku. Small chuku chuku, yes.
Small chuku chuku.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Chuku chuku. Double chuku chuku. Double chuku chuku.
Thank you. Just wait. Okay. The other time you made mention that there's no boyfriend.
Yes, and why do you ask?
You really want to know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I want to apply.
Well,
I mean, look at you. You are a very beautiful woman, and I don't think it would be out of this world to ask you out.
and you're handsome.
Do you mean that?
Yes, and you're very kind-hearted too. But to be honest with you, right now I'm not settled. I just have to deal with Mama's condition and try to reconnect her with her family. Then maybe after that.
I understand. I mean, you are worth the wait. Alright? So I'm just gonna, be lurking around. When the coast is clear, I just fire.
Nicole? 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 Nicole has beautiful shoes. Do you want to wear shoes? You like this one? This is Sopido. Put your leg. No, you wear two. Sopido. It's too big. Too big. See, Nani son, Daddy Danger, Akanadi Danger, Bam da 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 da.
It's him! Ah! The evil man! No! No! He's evil! He's evil! He took my baby! He took my baby! He took my baby!
Mama,
He
okay,
took
Mama,
my
it's okay,
baby!
Mama. It's okay, Mama. Okay, Mama, it's okay, calm down. Okay, Mama. Mama, okay, Mama, we can.
Hello, my baby. He's
Wow,
evil.
please, just come over. Please, just come, please, come.
Evil.
Please.
He took my baby.
Mama, it's okay.
He took my baby.
Mama.
Okay, let's leave her to sleep, okay?
You sure she's okay? She's
Yes.
calm now?
She's fine. Trust me.
Okay.
Alright.
No, but do you think she'll be uncontrollable again if she wakes up at night?
We can't predict these things.
I'm scared.
Yeah, you don't have to be scared. Everything will be fine.
But I am. I'm really, really scared, please. Could you please stay? Could you please stay with me, please? I know that I might be asking for too much, but please, can you just stay with me, please? Please.
Thank you so much for the meal. You're right to cook.
Thank you. And thank you for agreeing to stay.
You're welcome.
Do you think Mama might know my father?
Obviously. I'm sure they might have had a rough encounter for her to call him evil.
My father was a politician. I mean, he was a good father, but I'm not going to swear that he didn't step on some toes. You know, as a politician.
Yeah. Well, we have to wait for her to wake up to ask why she called him evil. Did she say anything else?
No, she just kept screaming.
Let's just wait.
Oh, God.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's just a dream. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a dream. Mama, who is this man? And what did he do to you?
He's my husband. I can't remember what happened. But he sent me away. He sent me away from the child that I just gave birth to.
Can you remember when this happened?
Can you remember? Last year.
My father died 5 years ago. I mean, I don't think it's the same person she's talking about. Maybe it's just somebody who looks like my father.
Mama, can you remember where you lived with this man?
Bodija. We lived in Ibadan.
Ibadan?
We lived in Ibadan too. Yes.
Are you talking? You lived with this evil man in the same house?
No. No. He's not here. Mama, you know what? Just take your medicine, have your bath and get some rest, okay?
You have to send this evil man away. Else I will run away.
He's not here. It's just a picture.
Take him out now.
Okay, don't worry. I will go and take him out, okay?
Now.
I'm doing that. I'll do that, okay? Just don't forget.
He's evil!
I know. I'm sorry.
Telling you, get him out now. Let the evil man go now. Evil man. Baby, don't cry. He's evil. Don't cry.
We need to stay calm, okay?
Look, I don't know what to think. I'm confused, like, what is going on?
Just sit down. It's okay. Please. Tell me, do you know anything about your mother?
Hold on. Wait, are you trying to say that she might be my mother?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
All I know is my mother died while giving birth to me and my father remarried 3 years later.
Do you by any chance have a picture or something?
No, the house got burnt down and all the pictures were in the house, and you know that was not the internet era, so there are no photos online.
Wow. Have you met any of your mother's relatives?
My father said my mother was an orphan.
So the confusion here is Mama is saying her husband took her child last year. But we all know madness can make years seem like a day.
So what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is you need to ask your father's relatives some questions. How is she doing?
She's sleeping now.
That's good. And how are you holding up?
Look, honestly, I don't know.
It's okay. I understand.
You know, she kept asking about my father and her baby.
It's quite sad that your relatives could not agree to the story she's telling.
I don't know, but somehow I believe her. Because how do you explain the bond I shared with her from the onset? How do you explain my bringing her home? I think she might be telling the truth.
I believe so too.
Do you think she might be my real mother?
Calm down. Alright? We will find the answers we seek. Okay?
Okay. But thank you for coming back. I couldn't have done this alone.
I got you.
Thank you. My nanny.
You think she might know something?
Hey. Yes, but if my uncles and aunties are lying, then she might lie too.
What if they're saying the truth? What if they don't know? Your nanny is more likely to know.
You know what? You have a point. Maybe I'll just invite her over, to come here and have her meet Mama face to face. Then I'll see her reaction. Maybe something might come up.
Now that is a great idea.
Yeah. I'll call her in the morning. She's living in the village at the moment, so I'll just call her and have her come over. Gosh.
That's good, but right now, I need to rest.
When I pick her up.
Yeah, I will check up on you when I close from work, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I'll see you soon.
Alright.
Alright.
Valentine?
Yeah? What is it? You're welcome.
Anna, what is this one? What are you doing? Why are you acting like a thief?
Where is the mad woman?
Look, Anna, please, look. I will not have you call her that. Don't call her that.
Well, it is what it is.
No, Anna, please. I will not have you call her that. Please. Don't do that. Especially now that I suspect that she might be my mother.
What?
She saw my father's picture. And she claims that he took her baby and that he's her husband. You know, my father claims that my mother's pictures got burnt when I was a child.
Yes. You don't confirm, Sha?
Not yet. I'm going to pick up the nanny from the airport tomorrow. She was supposed to come here today, but she couldn't make it.
Which nanny?
The nanny that raised me.
Could this be the reason you have been so attached to that? The woman.
Possibly. You know what they say? They say blood is thicker, right?
This can be... Well, you confirm, Sha? Because I don't want to believe this. Babe.
It's just so much on my mind. I don't even know.
Oh. Babe. I don't want to feel so bad. If you are not sure, do you get? You're not sure. Wait until you're sure. Don't get too attached. Don't get disappointed.
I'm just confused right now. I just don't even know what to think.
You're doing very well.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You have not told me why you invited me so urgently. Are you getting married?
Wait, Nana. Listen, don't worry. Very soon you'll find out.
It's okay.
But I hope you're fine.
I'm good. As you can see. Your house is fine.
I'm trying.
Why are you asking me this?
Nana.
Yes.
Did my mother really die after giving birth to me?
That's what your father said.
That is what my father said? Which means you are not even sure. Now listen, my father is late now, so you do not have to cover up for him. Please.
Baby Nayoka, I want to know your name. Baby mo, polokotom, pom pom, polokotom, pom pom. Sisi mo, polokotom, pom pom, polokotom, pom pom.
Nana,
Come. Asulu baby, pom pom, polokotom.
I want Nana to see you.
Pom pom. You must be feeling dizzy by now. Who do we have here?
Mama, not to worry. I'll see you later, okay?
Polokotom. Are you dance polokotom? Pom pom. Ajaki waka.
Nana,
Baby. Polokotom pom. You don't know how to dance polokotom. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's dance blues. Blues. Okay. I can't remember that song again.
I'm sorry. Your father said we must not talk about it. He made us take an oath.
What are you saying?
Your mother went mad after giving birth to you. Your father's election was close. He said that will make him to lose the election. So he instructed his bodyguard to take her away to another village in another state. I'm sorry. Your father was a powerful man. We couldn't go against his wish.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm so sorry, please. I'm really...
It's okay.
Sorry.
I understand that you couldn't go against my father.
It is time to right the wrong. You have to tell her the truth. It's okay.
I want you to be my baby. I want you to be mine. I want you. Go. Why are you crying? Who beat you? Who beat you? Helen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is she doing here? I begged her. When that wicked man took my baby, I begged them. I said, don't let him take my baby. I begged her to help me. I begged her. She refused.
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Honorable made us take an oath. But thank God, life has brought your daughter back to you. Nico is your daughter.
Yes, Mommy.
I'm sorry.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Mommy! Mommy! Wake up!
I kept meeting her each time I went to visit my friend. I just...
Blood is thick. I am really sorry, please. I have lived with this guilt. I never stopped thinking about her. This guilt is why I refuse to take anything from you, even when you offered to be sending me monthly allowance. I can't be eating from another woman's rights when I don't even know how she's faring.
Look, Nana, I understand you. I know that my father was quite powerful. But then you should have told me after he died. You should have.
Your father made us take an oath. I, the bodyguards, and the gatesman.
God, I just hate him so much. I cannot believe I loved such a heartless monster all my life.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
I just hope the effects of this news will be positive.
Can you make her feel better?
Yeah, it is supposed to, but we just have to wait for the effect of the medication to wear out.
God, I pray so. God, I really pray so.
It's okay.
It's okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Ma. Please, forgive me. Please.
It's okay, Helen. I understand. My husband was
He was a very mean and a wicked politician. He dared defy his authority. People were afraid to stand up to him. And if I remember then, you were always very fearful, right? And she was young. She was, you were about 20 years old, right? Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I forgive you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, Nico. Thank you. You, doctor. I see everything you do. And sometimes I want to talk about it, but I can't because I can't be. There's so much going on in my head. So, but I see you. I feel better.
I'm glad you feel better.
Thank you, ma. Okay, sit down. Thank you, ma. She got up.
Madam, I will be leaving now. Please, I want to say, I'm really sorry. Please, forgive me.
It's okay, Helen. I have forgiven you.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, Mama, let me drop her off at the airport. I'll be back. Alright,
My daughter.
see you later, Mommy.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, ma.
My daughter, you're back.
Yes, Mama. I'm
Welcome.
back.
Welcome.
Mama, meet my friend Anna.
Anna,
Yes, ma.
Nicole has told me so much about you. She also told me you advised her not to help me.
Well, sorry, darling. Listen, henceforth, my mom will now be my best friend and I'm going to tell her everything.
You see, we're trying to catch up on lost times.
Yes.
You know, so... But it's okay. I mean, I'm not upset. It's because you like her that you advised her not to help.
Yes.
But then again, sometimes we need to be the good Samaritan. Mad people are also human beings. And you ought to help them when you see them sick. Eh?
You're right, Mama. I've learned my lesson. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Nico, find us something to eat.
Okay.
Or drink.
You said that I meet a stranger in this house.
You're fine.
I'm fine. I'm wondering if you are fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes, you're fine. Who would have thought you would find your mother after so many years?
My dear, I thought I was just being kind to a stranger, not knowing that I was helping out my own mother.
Thank God you did not listen to me.
Thank God I didn't listen to you. I'm so happy I followed my heart because I know that it will never lead me wrongly.
You don't win. But the way she was looking at me, I think she hates me now.
Why wouldn't she hate you after everything that you did to her? Don't you remember? But she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
But I'm happy for you. Finally, you found your mom.
Anna, let me just use this opportunity to tell you something. Babes, listen. Look, it is always good to be nice and kind to people, irrespective of who they are. You know that life can be unpredictable.
Annam, don't do. I've heard now. I've learned my lesson. From today, anywhere I see mad woman, I'm helping.
So hug them. Abeg, please.
For real. You are right, Shao.
Because you and this your sharp mouth. Now you say you're right, Shao, then tomorrow now you're not becoming like one lion.
You know, see, I'm now composed.
For 2 seconds. 2 seconds. No, we'll not drive out now. We'll not see another person. Please. God. I have always longed for the love of a mother. My stepmother never played a motherly role to me. Though she was always hostile towards me, my father made sure she never bullied me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I wasn't strong enough to protect you and not fight for you.
Mama, please don't say that. It's not your fault. It is not. I've always been in your heart. Always. You held me each time you held that door. Maybe that's why we connected on our first meeting. And I've always been in your heart.
Yes.
And that is why when our hearts met, we connected.
You have always been in my heart. And, you know, every time I thought about you, it made me go crazy, but I just couldn't help it. I just couldn't.
I am so glad we are back together. I'm so happy. And I love you so much, Mommy. I love you.
God, I love you more. And I will never ever let you go again.
Love you with all of my heart. Oh, love you. I'm the one who loves you like crazy. Love you.
Mom, I'm so glad you're well.
Thanks to that, Nicole.
Your situation brought me very close to your daughter. It has ignited a feeling that I would love to fan into a big, strong flame. I want to ask your permission to date Nicole and someday walk her down the aisle. What do you say? Yes? Thank you so much. God bless you.
Can I eat?
Yes.
Yes, Mama.
Yes.